Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to use CapCut speed ramping for cinematic edits. Now, to create cinematic speed ramps in CapCut, select your clip on the timeline. So let's say I'm going to hit split here, right in the middle, or right in the first 4 seconds. And I'm going to select the next clip here. Below, you're going to see, if you swipe left, speed, tap it. And then I'm gonna go to curve instead of normal. Okay. Now use the customizable graph to drag points up, right, for speeding up, or down to slow down. So
Not for you. Now.
Let me customize. Right. You can move it up here.
Not for you.
Right? And then drag it down. So let me play it from the start to see how it's gonna look like. So basically, that's it. So you can match the action moments to your background music beats if you have one. So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps the channel. Till next time, see you.
You also build a paywall.